This video is brought to you by Brew Mighty. Real coffee at really good prices. What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Teaspoon Recipes. It's a cooking show where I'm going to be making dishes and food that I really like and enjoy, and I hope I can do the same for you. As in, not cook for you, you're going to cook for yourself. I ain't cooking for no one but me. There's nothing else to say? Let's cook. One thing we love more than gold is mutton curry. A staple of our cuisine that you will find in any Tamil household, along with a bottle of Shibas hidden somewhere. The real hero of this dish, Tulle, aka roasted curry powder, a blend of chilies and spices that have been roasted and ground together. It's super spicy because we don't play, we're about that life. Now get yourself 1 kg of mutton. If you go to your local butcher, he will sort you out. Just tell him mutton, he will say, yeah, Chinna Chinna, yeah, that's the one. Now add in about a tablespoon of curry powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and give that a really good mix. You want the spice and the salt to really rub into the meat, and you're gonna let that marinate for about an hour. You can skip this step if you want to, but I highly recommend you do it. Now cut 1 whole onion, red, white, doesn't matter, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 inch of ginger. Again, you want the same thing, skin it and cut it really fine. 2 tomatoes cut in half, then quartered. In a heavy bottom pan, add in 2 tablespoons of oil of your choice, and then add in your onions. You want to fry them, but you don't want to roast them. Just gently fry them for about a minute. Add in your garlic and your ginger, and stir that in the pot and let that fry for about a minute. Now add in a teaspoon of fennel, mustard, and cumin seeds and stir that in the pot. It can burn very quickly, so you don't want to leave it in there too long. A minute should do it. Now add in your marinated meat, and you really want to mix that very well with what's already in the pan. So scrape the bottom of the pan and mix your meat with the ingredients very well. We then let that simmer covered for about 15 minutes. The meat has now released some of its juices and is mixing well with the ingredients in the pan. Give it a quick mix and then add in your tomatoes. To that, add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, a tablespoon or 2 of curry powder, depending on how brave you're feeling. Mix that well with the meat, and you will let that simmer and cook for 15 minutes covered. The curry has now taken a rich reddish brown color. You can now add in 2 medium potatoes cut in quarters, mix very well with the gravy. Now this is optional, and I don't know if this is typical of the dish, but I highly recommend you do it. If your curry is quite thick like mine is, you can add in about 100 ml of water. What this will do is that it will help to steam up the potatoes without really making the curry too runny. Last but not least, add in your curry leaves. Mix it well in the pan, cover with the lid, and you're gonna let that simmer for the final 15 minutes. After that, your dish will be ready. Now 15 minutes later, open your lid and your curry should be on my taste. That looks so good. Okay, your curry is now ready. Serve that with some rice, with some bread, with some noodles. It really goes well with anything. There isn't much you can do now to make this curry look better than it is. However, in slow motion, everything looks better.